Chicken Pozole Rojo, made easy in your kitchen, and I'm going to show you how. This pozole is very easy to make. We used two 13.5 ounce cans of white hominy, rinsed well. We're going to use 8 Guajillo chilies. We're going to use 2 pounds of chicken breast. I have quartered white onions and I have 2 garlic cloves ready to go. So let's get right into this recipe. In a 6-quart pot of boiling water, I'm going to put my chicken, my white onion, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 garlic clove. And we're going to let that cook until the chicken's fully cooked. Next, you're going to add 8 Guajillo chilies to a hot bowl of water, and you're going to let them soak for 15 minutes. Set those aside. Next, to my NutriBullet, we're going to add 8 softened Guajillo chilies that we had been soaking in the warm water, and they're de-seeded. We're going to add the onions that I had boiling with my chicken and the garlic cloves. We'll add those in as well. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to add 1 cup of chicken stock that I had in my pot as well. So this is all from that boiling chicken. And we're going to go ahead and put the lid on. And we're going to give it a whirl. Easy peasy. So 15-20 minutes has gone by and I've taken my chicken out of my pot and I'm going to cut this up into small little pieces. Careful, chicken's hot. Okay, so time to get our stuff into the pot. So we're going to add into our remaining chicken broth that's in our pot from our boiling chicken. We're going to add our chicken that we cut up into little tiny pieces. Okay. And then I'm going to add my red sauce, my chili sauce that I blended so nicely. Get all that in. Yum. Get all that in. I'm going to give it a little mix here. Wow. Looks delicious. And lastly, I'm going to add my white hominy. Okay. And I'm going to add the rest of this chicken because I had a little bit left. There we go. And I'm going to put it on a low simmer for 20 minutes and we'll check back to see how it comes out. Okay, so our Pozole Rojo is now done and it smells so good. Let's get it into the bowl, put our garnishes in it, and see how it tastes. Oh, that's so hot. Looks great. Oh my goodness, yummy. Oh, look at all those delicious hominy and chicken and soup. That looks fantastic. That's what it looks like. And now we're going to add some really traditional garnishes to it. A little bit of cabbage, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lime and add a radish and a little bit of Mexican oregano. You cannot go wrong with that. Mmm, so good. But it would be nice if I would have brought a spoon. Give me 1 second to get my spoon. Okay, so let's give this a taste. I have all my garnishes in the soup. I have a little bit of Mexican oregano. I have some shredded cabbage, just a little bit, and a squeeze of lime and 1 radish. Let's give this a taste test and see how it is. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious because it smells delicious. Oh, it's so hot. Fall is in the air, people. It's time to start making some soups for ourselves, our friends, our family, for whoever. Mmm. Oh my gosh, this is so good. It's not too spicy. It's just right. I was kind of worried that the 8 Guajillo chiles was gonna make it a little too hot, but not at all. Gonna get a little bit of chicken this time. Mmm. Absolutely delicious. If I can do it, you can do it too. See you in the next video.